Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Motorola Moto G32. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store and then in the top search find app called Firefox. Here you should be able to see the install button like that. When it's finished, click on the open. Now we can set Firefox as a default browser. Next thing is to sign in to turn on synchronization between other browsers. I'm gonna click on Not Now, and now the browser should be ready. We can open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.